Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been asked to add navigation buttons to a Qlik Sense dashboard? In this video, you will learn how to create navigation buttons in Qlik Sense to improve dashboard usability and create a more professional user experience. Many Qlik Sense applications contain multiple sheets, dashboards, and reports. Without proper navigation, users often spend time searching for the information they need instead of analyzing the data. Our goal is to build a multi-page dashboard and allow users to move between sheets using next page, previous page, and home buttons. Instead of asking users to manually locate sheet from the asset panel, here is the asset panel. We will create a guided navigation experience that makes our application easier to use and easier to understand. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to add navigation buttons to your own Qlik Sense applications and create dashboards that feel more like professional business applications. We will also build a complete navigation flow across 3 dashboard pages and demonstrate how users can move through the application with a single click. Let's get started. For this demonstration, I have created a simple call center performance application. This application contains 3 sheets: executive overview sheet, the call center team performance, and agent details sheet. Each sheet serves a different purpose and provide a different level of analysis. Our goal is to allow users to move between this sheet using buttons. Let's start with the executive overview page. The executive overview sheet is the landing page of the application. Here we have several KPIs. We have several KPI cards that provide a high-level summary of call center performance. So you can see we have total calls handled, average handle time. We have customer satisfaction KPI and total agent KPI. Below this KPI, we have chart showing call volume by team, and monthly call trends. This page is designed for managers and executives who want a quick summary of performance. Now, let's improve the user experience by adding a navigation button. I am going to add a button to the upper right corner of the executive overview sheet. The button label will be called next page. For the button action, first let me add an icon. For the button action, I'm going to select go to next sheet. The target sheet will be the team performance sheet. Now, let's test it. When I click the button, Qlik Sense automatically takes me to the team performance sheet. So you saw that when I click that button, Qlik Sense automatically just takes me to the team performance sheet. Instead of opening the sheet navigation panel, users can move through the application with a single click. This creates a much cleaner experience. We are now on the team performance page. This sheet focuses on comparing performance across teams. Here we can analyze call handled by team, average handle time by team, customer satisfaction by team, and monthly team performance trend. This page helps managers compare teams and identify strength and weakness. Because this sheet sits between two other pages, we are going to add two navigation buttons. First, I will add a button and I will label it previous page. Add my icon as usual. For the action, for the navigation action, I'm going to say go to a sheet and I'm going to choose the executive overview page. Okay, as a matter of fact, we can just move this one to the top left corner. Just delete it and put it right there. Next, I will create a second button. Make it black. The label will be called next page. And the navigation action will be go to next sheet. And let me make sure I put my icon. Now let's test both buttons. The previous button returned us to the executive overview page. The next button, which we need to change our label and call it next page. The next button takes us to agent details page. This creates a logical flow through the application. Let's go back again. From the team performance sheet, if we click on the previous page button, it takes us to the executive overview page. And if we click on the next page button, it takes us to agent details sheet. Okay? Users can move forward and backward without ever opening the sheet. Now we are on the agent details page. This sheet provides detailed information about individual agent performance. The goal of this page is to help users identify top performing agents and analyze performance at a more detailed level. Let's start with the first visualization, which is a tree map showing calls handled by agent. Each rectangle represents an agent. The larger the rectangle, the more calls that agent handle. Tree maps are useful because they can allow us to compare multiple agents at once while maximizing screen space. We can quickly identify which agent contributed the most call volume. Next, we have a scatter plot. The scatter plot provides a deeper performance analysis. The x-axis represent average handle time. The y-axis represent customer satisfaction. The bubble the bubble the bubble size represent calls handled. This chart helps answer several important business questions. For example, which agent handle calls efficiently? Which agent maintain high customer satisfaction? And which agent manage the highest call volume? For example, agent appearing towards the upper left area of the chart typically represent strong performance because they maintain high customer satisfaction while keeping handle times low. Finally, we have a detailed table we have a detailed table containing agent ID, agent name, team, month, course handle, average handle time, and customer satisfaction. This allows users to drill into the underlying data and review individual performance metrics. Together, the tree map, scatter plot, and the detailed table provide a complete view of agent performance. Let's improve navigation on this page as well. First, I will create a previous page button. We're going to call it previous page. I'm going to use our icon, the home icon, not the home icon. Call it previous page. To previous sheet. This previous page button returns users to team performance page. Next, I will create a home button. Call it home. To a sheet, and that's it. The home button takes users directly back to executive overview sheet. Now users can navigate anywhere in the application with just a single click. Let's test that navigation. The home button takes us back to the dashboard landing page, which is the executive overview page. Previous button take us back to team performance sheet. You can see that everything seems to work exactly as expected. Many developers focus only on chart and KPIs. However, user experience is equally important. Navigation buttons provide several benefits. They make application easier to use, they reduce confusion, they improve dashboard usability, and they create a more professional experience for business users. In this tutorial, we created a multi-page Qlik Sense application with navigation buttons. We built a next page button, a previous button, a home button, and we connected multiple sheets together to create a guided dashboard experience. These simple techniques can dramatically improve usability and help users navigate your application more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more Qlik Sense tutorials, dashboard development tips, business intelligence content, and AI BI analysis. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.